preposition. We use preposition to link a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, location or time to introduce an object. The following are some of the prepositions: on, at, in, of, to, for, with, over, by. Let us know about the usage of on. We use the preposition on to express the surface of something. For example, the paper is on my desk. To specify dates and days. For example, I was born on the 14th day of June in 2001. We use the preposition at to point out specific time. For example, I will meet you at 12 noon. To indicate a place. For example, there is a party at the clubhouse. We use the preposition in to mention unspecific times during a day, month, season, year. For example, in the summer, we have a rainy season for 3 weeks. To indicate a location or place. For example, I am staying in a hotel. We use the preposition of to express belonging to, relating to, or connected with. For example, that's the bag of my friend's sister. To indicate an amount or number. For example, I drank 3 bottles of cola. We use the preposition to indicate the place, person, or thing the someone or something moves. For example, I am going to the entrance of the building. To indicate a time or a period. For example, it is now 10 to 5. We use the preposition for to indicate the use of something. For example, this knife is for cutting fruit. We use the preposition with to indicate being together or being involved. For example, I ordered a sandwich with a drink. We use the preposition over to indicate above, on top, higher than. For example, there will be clouds over most of the country. We use the preposition by to indicate closeness. For example, can I sit by you? To indicate an action with a purpose. Example, you can pass the exam by preparing for it.